Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos and stretching videos for figure skaters and for non-figure skaters. Today we are back with my favorite tool. It's the mini ball. I just love it so much. We're gonna do a quick workout for our glutes and as well as our core a little bit, as well as our arms because we're gonna be pushing on that ball. So let's get right into it. Let's just do a quick little warm-up, nothing too crazy. We'll come to our child's pose here a little bit. Taking nice deep breaths here. Creating nice expansion in your upper back. And now let's start with some nice spinal rolls. So we're just coming up a little bit above our wrists, arching our back to our child's pose. So rounding out the spine here, then arching, going back. Let's do that 3 more times. And then come to your all fours position, neutral spine. Lift your left arm up, take a nice inhale. Exhale, bring it down to the ground and your right arm goes above your head. Just holding a nice little stretch for the shoulders. As well as a nice little twist. Then slowly release. Inhale your right arm up. Exhale, let's do it to the other side. And now slowly come back up. And let's just come back a little bit and we're gonna roll out our wrists just to prepare them for our all fours position in case you have a little bit achy wrists from being too long on your hands. Then let's just do up and down movements. Maybe take a quick little stretch here, pulling on the fingers. Then other side. Let's roll out our shoulders a little bit here. And now forward. And release. Good. Let's bring our ball into the picture. We're going to place it in our left hand. And we're just going to inhale, staying on our all fours. We're going to exhale, press into that ball. While we do that, we're thinking about pulling our abs in, so flattening them out, kind of like a corset is squeezing. Yeah, you want to squeeze that corset as well to the back, okay? But that doesn't mean to bulge out your stomach, okay? So your upper abs, your lower abs are all pulling in and contracting. So we inhale, exhale, press into that ball. Feel the abs working. Inhale, release. Think about your pelvic floor lengthening here. Then exhale, contract everything. Pull your pelvic floor upwards. Inhale, release. Exhale, squeeze. Just 4 more. Last one. And now we keep that ball in our left hand. We're going to stretch our right leg. We're going to take our bird dog position. While we do this, we're going to squeeze the ball when we lift our leg. Pelvis is under. Keep that engagement. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze and lift. And 2. Nice and slow, controlled movements. And 6. Keep your head nice and straight. 7. Stretching your leg as much as you can and pointing your toes if you can. Now keep that squeeze on the ball, and we're just going to bring the leg to the side and center. So kind of opening up that leg here, then turning it back in. Keep that engagement. Just 4 more after this. And 6. 2 more. 7. And last one, 8. Keep your leg to the side, release your ball, and just bring your elbow down. And we're just going to bring our leg up and a little bit cross it behind. So kind of like a rainbow motion. So to the side, cross it back. And 3. Back. And 4. Back. Good. 2 more. And now last one, just hold your leg to the side just for a quick moment, stretching your leg as much as you can, use the abs. Then bring yourself down onto your left hip, come onto your elbow, your head goes into your hand. You're going to press the ball with your hand, legs are in a nice right angle in front of you. We're going to inhale, exhale, lift your right knee and leg. As we do this, we squeeze into the ball, making a nice connection with the abs in this movement. Let's go for 10 of these. Four more. And last one. Now stretch your leg in front, hold the squeeze on the ball, and we're going to take little circles, just 8 times each way. And 5, 6, 7, 8, other way, squeezing that ball. 6, 7, and 8. Good. Bring your leg down, stretch your legs, just bring your head onto your arm and lower down. We're going to do a last thing on this side. Legs are a little bit in front. We're going to inhale, exhale, lift both legs, and squeeze onto that ball. Squeeze into that ball. And 2. And 3. And 4. Good. 4 more. Last 2. And now last 1. Good. Release. Just come up to your seated position, and let's go right away to the other side, and we'll take a nice little stretch afterwards. So your ball goes into your right hand now. Come to your all fours position. We're going to inhale, exhale, squeeze into that ball, engage the abs, pull the pelvic floor upwards. Inhale, release, lengthen your pelvic floor. And exhale. Four more. Always trying to hold here in that engagement and squeeze. Last one. Hold that engagement, and now stretch your left leg. Maybe bring your hand a little bit more in front of you. Inhale, exhale, lift and squeeze the ball. And lift. 3. Feel that squeeze in your glute. Try not to lift the leg with your lower back. Activate that big muscle. Good. And now last one. Hold it up, hold that squeeze, and we just go to the side and center. Woo. Feel that nice shake. And 3, 4, halfway there. You can also do it with your leg bent if the stretched variation is a little too difficult. Last one, release, bring the ball down, bring your elbow down. We're gonna bring the leg to the side and then bring it down, cross it behind. Leg to the side, cross it behind. And 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Or just breathe however you want. And 6, 2 more. And now last one, and just hold that leg there, just hold it, hold it. And come down on to your right hip. Grab your ball again. Place your head into your hand. Legs are in front. Nice 90-degree angle with your legs. Let's find that engagement again. Inhale. Exhale, lift the leg, squeeze into the ball. And 2. 3. 4. Here it's really beneficial to exhale, so we really feel it in our abs whenever we squeeze into the ball. 7, 8, and let's do 2 more. And now last one, hold that squeeze, stretch your leg forward, and we do 8 circles each way. Nice and slow, nice and small. 4, 3, 2, 1, and now other way, stretching your knee, pointing your toes, so you feel the benefit in your legs as well. Hold, bring it down. Now just lay your head on your arm, stretch your legs, bring them a little bit in front of you, and we're just gonna squeeze the ball as we lift our legs. Again, engage your abs. Inhale, exhale, lift. And 2, 3, 4, 4 more. And last one. And release. Good. Come up to seated. You can release your ball now. Let's just bring our knees to the side a little bit. We're going to inhale our right arm up and just exhale, take a nice stretch towards our left side. Just a nice little mermaid stretch here. Then release. Bring this left leg up. Bring that foot over, crossing your legs. And you can stay here, or you can fully release that foot into your shoelace pose. And then we're just gonna come down, stretch out the glutes a little bit. And slowly release. Let's bring our legs to the side, and we'll take our side stretch on the other side. So hold here. Let it go. Bring your right leg over, crossing it. Stretch your arms to the sides and come down. Holding here. finish for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that was a good workout for you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.